Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. So I will show the technique how to answer. We have the formula. That's about sine 2x equals to 2 sine x cosine x. So in this one, we have number A. We can put with sine x cosine x into this way. And now we change to sine 2x in here. Next, we have another formula. Sine 2x to the power of 2 plus cosine x to the power of 2 equals to number 1. So in here we have sine 2x to the power of 2 equals to 1 minus cosine 2x to the power of 2. In here we have sine 2x to the power of 3. So we separate them into sine 2x and sine 2x to the power of 2. And we convert 1 minus cosine 2x to the power of 2 in here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So we got about u equals to cosine 2x and du, you will get about negative 2 sine 2x dx. Because we don't have the negative 2, so we divide both sides with negative 2. Now we have cosine 2x, we change to u. So you got about u squared, and this one is about u to the power of 4. Sine 2x dx, we change to du over negative 2. And now we can find the final answer. The integral of u to the power of 4 is about u to the power of 5 over 5. The integral of u to the power of 6 is about u to the power of 7 over 7. And we put about capital C in here. About u, we need to convert back to cosine 2x. And this is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.